Hey guys, I'm going into a nature trail that I came out to see today. It's in Cadiz, but it's actually land between the lakes. It's beautiful out here. I've been to land between the lakes before to see the bison, but now I'm going to the nature trail. So I'll be back. Hey guys, so we're at Woodlands Nature Station, National Recreation Area, and this is in land between the lakes in Cadiz. It's just beautiful here. I wish I could have got the drive up this road as I was coming to the parking lot, because it's just beautiful, but there were cars behind me, so I couldn't hold up traffic. I'm here by myself, so there was no one to help me out with the camera. But I could tell it's a nature station. There's bugs all over me right now. But this is a little bit of it. We're going to go up here. This is where I park. The parking area is right up ahead. I keep getting flies all over me. And so we're going to go up there. I think there's an area that has some wildlife rescues in there. Now, land between the lakes is a big touristy kind of area, but it's still a lot of nature because there's a lot of forests around here. They have a bison preserve that I was at either earlier this year or last year. I can't remember, but I did a video on it. But I've never been to this nature center here. And they're supposed to have several animals in here that they've rescued that were injured and are unable to be released back into the wild, so they're taking care of them here, and I think we can go in and see them, so that's what I'm going to try and do. So I will be back when I get to the building. I think it's up ahead. I think it's right up there. Okay, see you in a sec. Listen guys, they have a whole bunch of bird feeders here, or not bird feeders, bird houses I guess. Tons of them hanging up here. You can listen to all the birds. Pretty neat. Gosh, I'll tell you what though, wear bug spray when you come out here, because I've been getting bit by everything. There's a couple of birds on a wire. I don't know what kind they are. I can't see very well from here. I have my sunglasses on. But how neat. I love these nature preserves. So very cool. Okay, let's move on. So I'm standing next to the gift shop, I believe. There's a little place you can sit down there. Not sure what that sign says. There's trails you can walk along here. I don't know if I'll do the trails. I really wanted to come and see the animals that they have inside. And then I'll probably head back home, but I'll do the trails when I get bug spray. The bugs are terrible here, guys. At least this time of year. It's going to be another 90-degree day. This is a little informational sign they have here. I thought I'd show you. Hopefully you'll be able to see that, guys. But this is the trail, outlined in red, I'm assuming. But everything outside the red is still trees and forests. That's all land between the lakes is a lot of forestry. So this is a little nature building. I'm going to go inside here. There's a little board outside of there, though, that I want to take a look at. Let's see what all this is about. Hopefully you're getting this, because again, when it's sunny out, it's hard to see it. There you go, there's the hours. Daily 10 to 5. Last ticket sold at 4:30. So there's a gift shop in here you can go into. But if you want to see where the animals are, it's $7, which isn't a lot, guys. There's not a lot of animals in there, but $7, I mean, they have to feed them, right? And they're a rescue place, so I'm sure almost all of that goes to taking care of these animals. It sure doesn't go to anybody's paycheck. There's a little picnic bench there under the trees. So let's go on up to the building here and see what we can see. There's a lot on this board, guys, so I won't go over the whole thing, but I'm gonna get a ticket to going back, but I want to go to the gift shop, which I think is right inside. Hi. Hi. I'm gonna get a ticket in a minute, but this is your gift shop, all of this, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. I love these walking sticks. Alright guys, I paid for my ticket. So let's see what we can see. Where are the fish? There's one big fish. Can you see him?
Yeah, feed her up to 3.
Watching fish like this swim is so relaxing, isn't it?
Vera, get in here.
I don't know why anyone would want to touch them, but
Pharaoh ran real quick, and I think that they would think, uh-oh, someone tried to take my mouse, or like, what's happening? We just finished the tail on the other one, so.
I guess the bigger animals are obviously outside. Look at this little guy. Hello, guy. Hello, little guy.
So I just gave her another one.
Hello, little guy.
Me too. Me also. Yeah.
So cute. I like turtles. In case you want to know what kind of frogs and toads are in Kentucky, here you go. Salamanders of Kentucky. I guess this is the reptile room. I don't see the turtle. Oh, he's in his hiding place right there. Hi, little turtle. Hi, little turtle.
So,
aquatic life.
Hognose is probably the cutest one we currently have. He's got kind of a dark blackish bluish belly. which is very, very pretty, and his little upturned nose is very
I don't see anything.
cute. So I do like him.
Oh, there's something way back there.
Our pine snake.
I think.
This one's fairly new to us. But when I first started out here about 10 years ago, we had a big pine snake. About the same size as a rat snake in there. And that was one of the nicest
I don't know
snakes I ever got to work with when I first started learning.
where the spotted salamander is, but I guess he's in here somewhere.
Which is fun. A great way to do some programs. And I'm hoping that this one will be the same. So it's got to be a tie between these.
How did you guys catch the copperhead?
So all of our animals come to us from local rehabbers or local animal rescue groups. And in the case of our copperhead here, this one was actually originally just one that was getting moved out of the road.
I don't see one in here either. Oh, he's in. I think he's in here, guys.
Moving it, noticed that it had some weird bumps and just generally looked kind of weird. And they managed to get it to a snake expert and found out this one has some kind of, we don't know if it's cancer or something like cancer, but we kept it after that and slowly gave it treatments, and we've kept it ever since.
Wait.
They should be in the box if you lift up the little red curtain.
I don't know where these little guys are. I can't find them.
They're cute.
Prairie king snake. So where the heck is that at? Maybe it's underneath inside the hole. I don't see that here either. Wait, look at that.
Your switch back there?
Here you go, guys. I think. Is that real? Is that real or is that a design? Oh, this one you can see. Timber rattlesnake. I think these are natives out here. I'm sure they are because I think they are captured out here, taken from wildlife preserves out here. And hognose snake. And he's just sitting there. There he goes. He's going away. He's bashful. He's bashful. Eastern fence lizard. Boy, that one blends right in with the wood. So I don't know where he is. If you see him, good luck. Oh, I think he's over here because I saw something move. I think. Oh, there he is up there. There he is, guys. Okay. So, what's in this cage?
So this one ate the mice, but that one did not. Yeah.
That one didn't eat.
Yeah, this one didn't eat either.
I don't know, I can't see inside this glass, guys.
Over here.
The copperhead.
They must like the dark, because this one's dark. Pine snake, somewhere in here.
And let's see the hognose snake.
Oh, it's inside. They're all
I
hiding.
don't see the rat, so I'm just gonna assume it got eaten.
Red milk snake? Wait, that one's in his cave too. Too bad. Right there. Oh, but you can see his face. I see you. I see you. I see you. Green tree frog. We're somewhere on here. Sure. How are you going to find a green tree frog among green leaves? I have no idea, but good luck if you spot him. Oh, there he is, right there. Right there, guys. Blends in well, though. It must be nap time around here. Everybody's sleeping.
What?
Thinking about it.
Well, let's head outside. Let's just head outside. Try to walk.
Marge, they sacrificed the mine.
Yeah, when I fell into that, not the one that's got down.
I hear you guys.
It's pretty obvious which one's just not the ninja turtles.
There, that's better. That's where you come in, guys. I need a new phone. In a couple months, I'll have one. I'm going to go back over to this snake because I'm not sure if you saw that. Because it was right here, guys. Look at that mouth. He doesn't like my camera, I don't think. And that was this one. Okay, let's head outside. So pretty out here, you guys. Nice little sitting area here. On both sides. Very nice. I don't know where to go to see the animals. There's a couple different trails. Do you know if the animals are down that way?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just make this
There's
left.
they have a map inside if you want.
Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe I'll grab one. Because I didn't know if I should go down that way or that way.
Yeah, it's all around.
Thank you. Oh, I see. I guess no matter where you walk, you'll... Coyote? Where is the coyote? This way? Look at this nice nature trail. You walk around it, guys. It's really set up nicely here, even though it's small. Well, I don't know where the coyote is. All these animals are sleeping or hiding. I came at the wrong time, it looks like. Mr. Coyote. Well, this is a possum. Where is... Oh, he's in his little cave. See, it must be nap time. He's in his cave too, right there. I think that's him. Isn't it? I hate when I come and see this stuff and it's nap time. Oh, this is cool. I love this though. This nature trail is beautiful. I don't know what's supposed to be in here. I don't see a sign, unless that's all for the coyote. I don't know. But this road is hilly. It goes down and up and down and up. Let's go on to the next thing here. Oh, boy. Oh, what kind of bird is this? I don't see a sign here either. I think it's on the other side. But we got the back of... Oh, is that an eagle? That's an eagle. Duh. I should know an eagle. Hello, Mr. Eagle. Hello, Mr. Eagle. Eagles are beautiful birds. Just beautiful birds. So I'll get a picture of him from the front when I go around. I wish the coyote was out here. Of course, we see a lot of coyotes in the wild. In our neighborhoods anyway. It's just, I don't know. Let me go around here. Yeah, see, here's the front of the sign. And he was sitting in the back somewhere, but where was that? Oh, there he is. Look at that, guys. Beautiful bird. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right behind that post. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. Such a pretty bird.
It's a black walnut. I don't know.
So there you go. Let's keep on walking. Keep on walking. I don't know, guys. There's no signs on these, unless they're just empty cages right now waiting for... Oh. Here we go. Oh, is that a vulture? Oh, yes. It's a vulture. Right there. They eat anything, right? Hi, Mr. Vulture. They got an appetite out of this world and they'll eat anything you put in front of them. But I'm glad they're able to keep all these animals though, and you know, in a safe place, safe environment for them when they're injured, because they'd probably never make it in the wild. Well, here's a little bench. Should we sit down and take a rest? I think I'm gonna. Oh wait, what's this? Alligator snapping turtle. These are alligator snapping turtles. That's what that is. I saw one of those in the Science Center at the university in June when we went to see the corpse flower. I guess they're in here. Little pond next to them. They're all in here somewhere. Oh, there's one of them. You could see. Right there. Yeah, it's nap time. Everybody's sleeping. Except me. So, I think I'll go sit on that little bench a minute. Right here. Okay guys, I took a little rest. Let's keep walking. I'm not sure how this works here, so I'm just following the trail. Now, I don't know what this is. I don't know if I'm going the back way, because everybody's always seems to be on the other side of where I am. So I'm just going to go around this way instead of going that way.
Did you find him?
No, I don't.
He's back in the back corner under his shelf.
Oh,
With his belly up.
thank you.
His name's Barkley.
What's his name? Barkley?
Barkley, like the lake.
Thank you. So Barkley's back here. Underneath the shelf with his leg up laying in the back.
I
But
heard her say he's belly up.
she said he's underneath the shelf there. Oh, yeah, probably see that shelf? He's probably laying underneath there is what she was talking about. It's the only shelf I see, but I still can't see him, but it's supposed to be under there, guys. She sees him from over here, so I'm gonna come this way. His name is Barkley.
And you can see him.
Yeah.
I don't see
It's the
him.
first time I've heard it.
Yeah, I see him too.
Barred owls. They call them barred because they're bars across their chest. And they're on either. Oh, it's the other one.
Bobcat.
You might want to move over here. It's like
Okay, guys, I'm not sure what's in this cage because I don't see a sign. Oh, wait. Great horned owl. The bobcat seemed to be sleeping just like everybody else. And where is the owl? I'm not sure where the owl is, guys. I don't see one. But I'm panning around in case you catch him on the camera. And I just can't see him. Red-tailed hawk, guys. Hello, little red-tailed hawk. Hello, little red-tailed hawk. Pretty little bird. Man, these trails, they go everywhere. Oh, you can't get past here, so it's okay. Let's move on and see what's next. Oh, there. Look at that. Beautiful little bird. Little owl. Hello, Hootie. Hootie, Hootie. Hello, Hootie, Hootie. This says it's a screech owl. That one's not labeled. That looks like the great horned owl, though. Oh, look at how tiny this little guy is. Screech owl. Hey, Tiny. Hello. You're so cute. Look how cute you are. Very cute. This is about the screech owl, guys. And then this, oh, this is the bobcat, or that was a bobcat. Yeah, he's sleeping way back there in his hut. So I don't think we're gonna get a good look at him. Unfortunately, I really wanted to see him too. We have the barred owls. The barred owl. Next. There's a sign there, but I don't see an owl. So I don't know where it is. I have to do my eye drops. You guys, I'm getting cataract surgery on Tuesday for my first eye, and then on the 29th for my second eye. And I've got to do eye drops, and I forgot. I got them with me, so I have to stop, and I should have put them in when I was sitting down. This is the barn owl. Man, it looks like a stuffed animal. The way it just sits so still. Isn't that something? How it just sits so still. Nice to meet you, barn owl. Okay, I gotta find a bench to sit down. Let me go find, oh, I think that's it, guys. Because there's where I came out of, right there. But I'm gonna go find a bench to sit down. I'm gonna get this drop in my eye. I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna go back inside. I didn't see the whole gift shop. I just saw one side of it where the sign said, past this point, you have to pay for admittance. So I never went on the other side of it, so let's go on the other side of it just to see what they have. Boy, it feels good in here. Washrooms inside.
Woodlands Nature Station, this is Crystal. How may I help you?
Okay, guys, venomous or not? Take a guess.
They're supposed to have the banding going on all weekend, but I'm not sure particular times.
Non-venomous.
You're welcome.
This is an interesting little game. Okay, who am I?
I don't know.
Look for clues. Venomous or not? Non-venomous. There you go. And here's another one. This one's venomous, guys. Where am I? Venomous. It's the juvenile copperhead. I got 3 more, guys. Okay, who am I? Timber rattlesnake, and it's venomous. Venomous, northern copperhead. One more. Non-venomous. There you go. Oh, here's some different skulls.
Woodlands Nature Station, this is Crystal, how may I help you? Tuesday about 50, it'd usually be about 15-20 minutes. Okay, okay. Yeah, that'd be fine. They basically
Oh,
what they do is
butterflies,
they will
look
feed
at.
Watson and tell you a little bit about her and why she's here. Yes. You're welcome. Bye.
You'll have to stop the video, guys. There's too many butterflies for me to go through each one. I love butterflies, though. Cute. Hummingbird. I like this color. Little.
Oh, look at all the butterflies.
Oh, butterfly bag. Look at that. Hi.
Hello.
I need something. Give me kind of a cash, and keys. No one for 15. Let me get over here.
Looks like that's about it, guys. I think I've been through this part already. We'll just go outside, I guess. Thank you, too. Oh, man, I don't have any. I never carry cash, you guys. It takes debit cards. I wonder. Sometimes when I do that with these places, they don't work. So I'm afraid to try it. That's alright. I'll be home in an hour. So, that concludes our visit here, guys. Pretty nice little place. I mean, for $7 to go in and see it, and all the trails you can walk, and what they do, you know, harbor ill birds or injured birds and other animals here. It's worth a visit. Give them the $7 and come and see it, because it's really nice. So that's about it. You guys take care. I'm going to head out and head back home. Hope you enjoyed the visit.